Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new budget mud truck video. In today's video we will be installing a synthetic winch line and a new Fairlead on the newly installed winch. You're probably wondering why this video is so long then. Installing a winch line is not that complicated and putting a new Fairlead in is literally just 2 nuts and 2 bolts. Let this be a warning to anyone who's new to this or hasn't done much of it. No build or no install is ever easy. The dumbest things can take forever. It all started out pretty simple. Removing the old winch line was not that difficult at all. All it took was unlocking the drum and just unraveling it. And then I just had to remove that one screw it has, holding it in place. The drum itself was a little rusty, but nothing too bad. It is an older winch. It's not brand new, so it's expected. Especially since it had a metal winch line before this. Once the old line was out of the way, it was time to install the Fairlead. This is where the trouble begins. My fingers couldn't quite fit in the gap between the winch and the winch mount, which is exactly where I would have to put them to hold the nut that the Fairlead bolt goes into. So I had the brilliant idea of holding it with a wrench. I would just put the nut inside the side of the wrench that completely circles the nut, and I would be able to just hold it in place and bolt it down. So I did just that, and when I put the bolt in, my wrench got stuck. I couldn't take it out because the bolt itself was blocking the way out for the wrench. To add on to my headache though, I used a ratcheting wrench, so I couldn't take the nut back off with the wrench itself. But I think it's better I just let you guys actually watch and see exactly how many different things I tried and how all of them failed, and I ended up having to take the winch out altogether. So as you saw, that took entirely too long and was way more complicated than it should have been. But in the end, I have my synthetic line on there and the brand new Fairlead, so all's well that ends well, right? As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.